The Nord CE4 Lite is the latest entry-level model in the OnePlus lineup. The new model brings with it several improvements on paper over its predecessor, which we found to be lacking in many areas. For starters, the CE4 Lite now has an AMOLED display, which is the first for this series of devices. The new model also has an updated main rear camera, a larger battery, as well as a faster charger in the box, in India at least. On the other side, OnePlus has made the decision to stick to the same Snapdragon 695 chipset as with the previous mode. That, along with the same memory and storage configuration, means some aspect of the device are unlikely to feel any different. Will that be a major issue, or are the new features enough to carry this update? Let's find out. Conclusion. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite is a notable improvement over its predecessor in many ways. The new AMOLED display looks and works significantly better. The camera gets a small but appreciable improvement for stills and especially for video with stabilization. The battery life is better, as is the ingress protection. And we really cannot emphasize enough how nice the blue looks in person. However, it is disappointing that OnePlus chose to go with the same chipset that was found on the previous two generations. While everyday performance is still good, other aspects of the device such as video playback resolution, camera features and performance tend to suffer. There's also no ultra-wide camera, something that has become a basic requirement these days. We also feel the ergonomics of the device could be better, as the large, slab-like proportions and awkwardly placed controls make the phone a bit difficult to use. Still, all things considered, for the price, the Nord CE4 Lite is a good budget smartphone but with definite room for improvement. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.